Guyson Corporation of USA, industry-leading designers and manufacturers of industrial cleaning and surface finishing machinery, present the Model 7 Manual Blast System, a unique open-access cabinet for industrial blast processing. Like all Guyson manual blast systems, the Model 7 is customized to your own requirements for any impact surface treatment operation where reliability and quality cannot be compromised. A complete installation includes an efficient cartridge-type dust collector and an optional high-performance cyclone media reclaimer. With a footprint of 63 by 38 inches, the blast cabinet has 3 hinged doors to make it the most versatile system available today. The Model 7's open access features are ideal for processing of awkward size fabrications and bulky components. This unique design makes manual blasting more productive by allowing you to load and unload heavier objects with an overhead crane, hoist, or fork truck. The operator is less prone to injury, and your components can be safely handled. The slam-shut door on the side of the cabinet gives you quick access to the blast chamber for loading smaller parts. The full-width front loading door gives you great flexibility to place the machine conveniently in your facility, even in tight spaces. The Model 7's roomy blast chamber measures 36 inches high by 30 inches deep and an impressive 60 inches wide. Gyson's double-skinned mitered door construction isolates dust and noise for a cleaner, quieter work environment. Our attention to detail in door design will make the Guyson Model 7 outlast cheaply made cabinets many times over. The Model 7 is available as a direct pressure blast system or with suction media delivery. A Guyson Model 400 or 900 suction gun can be fixtured in position using the multi-adjustable bracket provided. With the gun conveniently activated by a foot switch, the operator's hands are freed up for component handling. Guyson high-performance blast guns make deburring, deflashing, etching, or surface cleaning operations fast and efficient to save you time and money. Standard on the Model 7 is an air wash nozzle to remove dust and media while components are still inside the cabinet. A generous size view window is fully gasketed and protected with a tough replaceable anti-frost shield to allow crystal clear monitoring of the blast operation. The built-to-last frame and cabinet body of the Model 7 are of continuously welded steel plate to withstand 24-hour 3-shift use in the harshest of abrasive environments. Like all Guyson industrial systems, durability and ruggedness are the hallmark of the Model 7. When you upgrade to a Guyson blast cabinet, you can be assured that your investment will contribute profits for a long time. Custom built to your requirements, Guyson can supply your Model 7 with a wide variety of options, including a Lazy Susan turntable for safe handling of heavy components, also available in an easy rolling trolley mounted version on a track extension. Anti-static mist injection to prevent media cling from static buildup. Bonded neoprene rubber cabinet lining for abrasion protection with the most aggressive grit blast media. And a boron carbide lined blast nozzle for the Guyson 400 or 900 gun. Gyson's innovative clog-free ducting design ensures a steady, even flow of blast media to the reclaimer. And super wear-resistant urethane ducting of the reclaim system is also available for abrasive blast applications. The Model 7 can utilize any type of blast media for the full range of surface treatments, either in suction or pressure blast versions, or with both suction and pressure nozzles, with your choice from Gyson's extensive options list. The Model 7 blast cabinet streamlines your surface finishing operations by easy access, convenient component handling, high-end performance and efficient operation. To find out which one of Guyson's industrial manual blast cabinets best meets your production and finish requirements, you're invited to take advantage of free sample testing in our fully equipped Applications Engineering Laboratory. Guyson Corporation manufactures a full range of cleaning and surface finishing equipment. From work cell size aqueous wash systems to the highest quality standard and special design manually operated blast cabinets, to custom engineered multi-gun automatic air blast systems, to airless turbine blast machines in all types and sizes.